नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् अनुग्रहाय लोकानाम् अवतीर्णाय विष्णवे क्लेश अपहाय कृष्णायाः पार्थसारथये नमः. Namaste everyone. So last class we stopped with this line यत् यत् रत्नम् अस्माभिः लभ्यते तत् सर्वैः अपि अस्माभिः अविभज्य अनुभोक्तव्यम् अन्यथा कदाचित् अस्मासु अपि कलिः अन्तरं लभेत तत् इयं पञ्चानामपि भोग्या अस्तु इति समयं कृतवान् तथेति सर्वैरपि प्रतिपन्ने तेषां मातुलेयः भगवान् कृष्णः सङ्कर्षणेन सह उपगम्य शुभ उदर्कैः वाक्यैः तान् समाश्वासयामास. So Arjuna won Draupadi in the whatever the Swayamvara competition was conducted. In that he won over Draupadi and he brought her home without noticing that Arjuna has brought a bride home. Kunti said, "Share it with amongst yourself." Yudhishthira, in order to bring his mother's words as true, he decided to Panchanamapi Bhogya Astu. Otherwise, there will be disparity or there will be Kalaham among us. And this was agreed by all the four Pandavas. And in the meantime, Bhagavan Krishna, Matuleyaha, their cousin Bhagavan Krishna also came along with Balarama. Shubha Udarkaihi Vakyaihi Tane Samashvasaya Masa. So he consoled, they both Krishna and Balarama consoled the Pandavas with the convincing words. So with this, we stopped in the previous session. Now, Drupadastu Bahubihi Lingaihi Nishchita Tat Abhijatyah Pramanaha Tan Griham Aniya Yatavat Pujayitva Yudhishthiramukhena Savishesham Vidanne Sutaram Nirvavara Vavaracha Suta Pani Grahanaya Partham Tadanu Shruta Tat Samshrave Vishamam idam yat eka bahunam bharya iti samshayane yajnasene Bhagavan Badarayanaha tam sabam avatatara. So now Kunti has uttered those words, and it was the Pandavas cannot overpower or overrule the words of their mother. But Drupada, he was unaware who these people are. Who was Arjuna? Who was the person who won the stake, who won the competition? He was not aware initially. Then Drupadaha Bahubihi, but Drupada concluded their noble birth by several symptoms. Symptoms in the sense Chinhani, Bahubihi Lingaihi, by several symptoms. He cheerfully brought them home and duly offered them respects. And on coming to know of everything in detail from the mouth of Yudhishthira, he grew extremely happy. So Yudhishthira explains what all happened to them. They were the son of Pandu, and they were about to be killed in the Lakshagriham, because of which they left the kingdom and they have taken they are in the guise or they are in the disguise of a Brahmin. So, hearing everything, grew he extremely happy and he invited Arjuna to seize the hand of his daughter. Afterwards, when Drupada heard of their agreement, that Samayaha, we read in the previous slide, no? The agreement that was made, that was decided among the Pandavas, he was not ready for it. He hesitated, saying that it was not proper for a girl to have several husbands. That time, Badarayanaha Savam Avatatara. So, Bhagavan Badarayanaha is Vyasaha, Tam Savam Avatatara, he reached. So, this is the meaning of this line. Drupadaha tu, Drupada, Bahubihi Lingaihi Nishchitya Tad Abhijatyaha. So, Abhijatasya Bhavaha, one who is born in a noble family, Abhijataha. Abhijatasya Bhavaha, Abhijatyaha. So, Tesham तेषाम् अभिजातस्य भावं ज्ञात्वा प्रमनाः द्रुपदः तान् पाण्डवान् गृहम् आनीय यतावत् पूजयित्वा युधिष्ठिरमुखेन सविशेषं विदन् सुतरां निर्ववार. So here this nirvavara means great relief ityartha. What do you say? He felt relieved. Vavara is vru varane dhatu. Nivaranam we say in Tamil also, no? Nivaranam, nidhi nivaranam and all. Nivaranam is a felt relieved. It is in lit lakara. So Drupadastu bahubihi lingaihi. Lingaihi ityukte chinhaihi. There will be different chinham for the people who are born in a noble family, for the kings and the prince, etc. So bahubihi lingaihi tesham पांडवानां निश्चितम आभिजात्यम निश्चितम तेषाम आभिजात्यम येन सह. So it goes as an adjective for Drupada. So how was Drupada? Drupada was one who who confirmed, or who was very sure, who concluded that these five people, these five Brahmins, are from a noble background, noble family. So Nishchitam Tesham Pandavanam Abhijatyam. So Abhijatasya Bhavaha Abhijatyah. So Abhijatyam Tesham Abhijatyam Nishchitam Yena Drupadena Saha Drupadaha Ityartha. So Bahubihi Lingaihi. How did he conclude? By looking at their various symptoms or chinhani, anga chinhani, or the way they conduct themselves. So Bahubihi Lingaihi Nishchita Tad Abhijatyah Drupadaha Pramanaha. He was extremely happy. He is extremely delightful. Tan Pandavane. So Pramanaha also goes as an adjective for Drupadaha. Nishchita tad abhijatyah goes as an adjective for Drupadaha. Pramanaha goes as an adjective for Drupadaha. Tan Pandavane griham aniya. So after bringing them home to his palace, yatavat, respectively, pujayitva, worshipping them or honoring them, Yudhishthira Mukena, from the mouth of Yudhishthira, Yudhishtrasya Mukena, Yudhishthira Mukena, Savishesham. Savishesham is Visheshena Saha Ityartha. Savishesham ityukte, knowing with all details. So, Yudhishthira Mukena, Savishesham Vidanne. Vidanne is coming to know. It is with and it is in Shatru Pratyam. Vidanne also qualifies Drupadaha. Drupadaha Vidanne. Yudhishthira Mukena, Savishesham Vidanne Drupadaha. ताने गृहं आनीय यतावत् पूजयित्वा सविशेषं विदन् सुतरां निर्ववार. सुतराम is अतिशयार्थे तरप्रत्ययम्. It is an अव्ययम्, better इत्यर्थः. सुतरां निर्ववार. He felt extremely relieved that convincingly he is going to give his daughter in marriage to this prince. Vavaraja Sutapani Grahanaya Partham. Now, what he does, who won Draupadi's hand in the Swayamvara? It is Arjuna. So he called Vavara. Vavara is chose. Vru Varane. So Vavaraja. So Drupadaha Vavara. Drupadaha Partham Vavara. So Drupada chose Partha. For what? Suta Pani Grahanaya. So to take the hands of his daughter. Sutayaha Pani Grahanam, Suta Pani Grahanam. Tasmai Pani Grahanaya Drupadaha Partham Arjunam Pavara. So he chose. Then Tadanu Shruta Tat Samshrave Vishamam Idam Yed Eka Bahunam Bharya Iti Samshayane Yajnasene Bhagavan Badarayanaha Tam Sabam Avatatara. See, if you take the original Mahabharatam, this comes under these four lines come under one sargam, one bhagam. So Tadanu Shruta Tat Samshrave. So this Shruta Tat Samshrave goes as an adjective for Yajnasena. Yajnasena is none other than Drupadaha. So, Shruta Tat Samshrave. Shrutaha Saha Samshravaha Yena Saha. Samshravaha ityukte agreement ityartaha. So, Shrutaha Saha Samshravaha Yena Saha. That agreement was heard by whom? So, Shrutaha Saha Samshravaha. Agreement or promise. Whatever has been decided among the Pandavas, Saha, that is called as, that agreement is termed as Samshravaha. So, Shrutaha Samshravaha Yena Saha Shruta Samshravaha तस्मिन् श्रुतसंश्रवे यज्ञसेने, it is in Sati Saptami. When when Drupada came to know about the agreement that has been decided, that has been come to a conclusion among the Pandavas, Samshayane. So Samshayane is he was extremely what to say? Some it's Kshing Swapne. He was extremely doubtful. Samshayane Yajnasene. Immediately he said, Vishamam idam yet eka bahunam bharya. यत् एका एका स्त्री बहूनां भार्या idam vishamam. So one girl becoming the wife of many men is vishamam is unusual. It is not very common in this world that one lady marries several men. So that is what he says. That time, Bhagavan Badarayanaha Tam Sabam Avatatara. So that time, who arrived to the Sabha? Bhagavan Badarayanaha Sakshat Vyasaha. He came to the court. See, if you check the original, Ekasya Bhahvyaha Vihitaha Mahishyaha Kurunandana na ekasyaha bhavaha pumsaha shruyate patayaha kvachite. So one king may have many wives, but one lady will not have many husbands. So he says this. For this, if you check the original, Yudhishthira quotes several examples from the past. He says there was a lady by name Jatila. She was born in the Gautama Gotram. She married 7 men, and every time, because of her purity, every day her shariram, her mind is pure. Then comes Varkshi. She was married to 10 Prachetas. So all having the same names. So by quoting all these incidents or episodes, Yudhishthira justifies that it is right. Dharma margena eva Draupadi can marry all 5 of us. Moreover, Mata Paramako Guruhu, who's the most authoritative in this world? Other than mother, nobody is authoritative. So Mata Paramako Guruhu, Sreshtatamo Guruhu. Then when she says Bhaikshavat Bhujyatam iti Vachyam Uktavati, she only said, take her like a bhiksha. So we will only follow the words of our mother. So thus, these were the things that were quoted in the original Mahabharatam. Here, just one line has been given. Yad eka bharya bahunam idam vishamam. One lady being the wife of many men is unusual in this world. When Shruta Tatsramshrave Samshayane Yajnasene, when he was in such a condition, when he had such a Samshaya, Bhagavan Badarayanaha Tam Sabam Avatatara. That time, Bhagavan Badarayanaha is none other than Sage Vyasa. He came to the Sabha. Now, so here Drupadaha is Visargasya Sakaraha, Bahubihi Lingaihi, both Visargasya Repaha, Nishchita Tat Abhijatyaha. So here you have Abhijatasya Bhavaha, Abhijatyaha. Then Nishchitam Tesham Abhijatyam Yena Saha, it qualifies. It comes as an adjective for Drupada. Then this Nishchita is, Nis is the Upasarga, Ching Chayane, and it is in Ikta Pratyayam. Pramanaha qualifies this one. Drupadaha, Prakrishtam Manaha Yasya Saha Pramanaha, Harsha Yuktaha Ityartaha. Tan Pandavane Griham Aniya. Aniya is the upasargam, ni nayati, ning is the dhatu, and you have the lyap, yatavati is avyayam, pujayitva is puja, and tva pratyayantam, yudhishtira mukena savishesham, visheshanaihi, visheshena saha, savishesham, vidanne is with dhatu, shatru pratyayam, again it qualifies drupadaha, sutaram is an avyayam, and Nirvavara is the upasargam, Viru Varane is the dhatu, it is in lit lakara, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam. Then Vavara, again, this is also Viru Varane, lit lakara, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam. Suta Pani Grahanaya, Sutayaha Pani Grahanam, Tasmai Pani Grahanaya, Partham Vavara Drupadah. Okay, Shruta Tadanu is an avyayam. Shruta Tat Samshrave is Shrutaha Samshravaha Yena Saha Tasmin Shruta Samshrave Yajnasene. Vishamam is unusual ityartaha. Idam Vishamam. It is unusual. Yat Eka Yedeka Jastvasandhi Bahunam Bharya iti Samshayane. Samshayanam is Sam Shing Swapne and Shanach is the Pratyam. Samshayane Yajnasene Bhagavan Badarayanaha Visargasya Sakaraha Tam Sabam Avatatara. Avatatara is Ava is the Upasargam. Tri Tarane Tarati. Tatara is in Litlakara. Okay. So sage Vyasa arrived at the Sabha. Vitataraja Krita Saparyaya Tasmai Rajnye Divyam Chakshuhu. Tena Tane Amanushan Vikshya Vismita Akaram Kanya Pitaram Parasharyaha Rahasi Idam Abodayat. Purakila Swargalakshmihi Atishayita Rupa Kasyachit Rishehe Kanya Sati Anurupa Vara Alabhena Maheshwaram Tapasa Toshaya Masa. Now Vyasa narrates the Purva Janma or whatever had happened. What is the reason for Draupadi getting married to 5 men? So he narrates a story. First, what he does is Kritas. So when he avatatara, when Vyasa avataranam is coming down, when he entered, when he came to the Sabha, Krita Saparyaya Tasmai Rajnye Divyam Chakshuhu Vitataracha. So Badarayanaha, you have to take the Badarayana from the previous line. Badarayanaha Vitatara. Vitatara is bestowed. So sage Vyasa granted a divine vision to Drupada, who offered respects to Vyasa. With that eye, the girl's father, that is Drupada, perceived the Pandavas as superhuman. In a very wondering mood, and he came back. That time, sage Vyasa took him separately to a private place, and he started narrating the story. Earlier, the goddess of heaven, Swargalakshmi, who possessed of exceeding beauty, was a daughter of a certain sage. Kasyachit Rishehe Kanya Sa Swargalakshmi. Okay, and she did not get a suitable bridegroom. Hence, she pleased Lord Maheshwara by her penance. So, this is the meaning of this line. This is a storyline. So, Krita Saparyaya Tasmai Rajnye Divyam Chakshuhu Vitatara. So, I told you have to take the word Badarayana from the previous line. Badarayanaha Vitatara. Vitatara is bestowed. V is the Upasargam. Tri Tarane Tatara. So, Vitatara, Avatatara, Tatara, Vitatara. So, Vitatara, he bestowed. What did he do? To whom? Tasmai Rajne, to that king. Sorry. Tasmai Rajne, Divyam Chakshuhu Vitatara. To that king, Divyam is divine. Divyam qualifies Chakshuhu. Chakshuhu is also in Napumsakalingam. Chakshuhu, Chakshushi, Chakshumshi. So Divyam Chakshuhu. So he gave to that king, Divyam, a divine eye, a divine vision. Okay. What is the adjective for this Rajne? Rajne is in Chaturthi. Tasmai Rajne. Krita Saparyaya Tasmai Rajne. Krita Saparya. Saparya ityukte puja seva ityartaha. Krita, it is in Strilingam. So Krita Saparya Yena Saha. By whom the worship has been made. So it goes as an adjective for Drupada. Okay. Drupada is the one who offered respects to sage Vyasa. So, Krita Saparyaya Tasmai Rajne. So, Krita Saparya Yena Saha Tasmai Drupadaya. Tasmai Rajne Drupadaya. The adjective for him is Krita Saparyaya Tasmai Rajne Drupadaya Saha Vyasaha Badarayanaha Divyam Chakshuhu Vitatara. So, he bestowed him with a divine vision. Tena Tane Amanushan Vikshya Vismita Akaram Kanya Pitaram Parasharyaha Rahasi Idam Abodayat. So if you take the main sentence here, Parasharyah is Parasharasya apatyam Puman, that is Vyasaha. Uh, Kanyapitaram Rahasi idam Kanyapitaram Abodayat. That is the main sentence. Parasharyah is Vyasaha, Parasharyah. Vyasaha Kanyayaha Pita Tam Kanyapitaram. Pita Pitaro Pitaraha Pitaram. So Kanya here is Draupadi. Draupadyaha Pitaram, the father of the girl, Kanya Pitaram, Parasharyaha, Idam Abodayat. He said this. Okay. Uh, what are the adjectives for the Kanya Pitaram? Vismita Akaram, who was extremely stunned, or Vismayam Gataha, who was extremely with the divine vision, he perceived that these Pancha Pandavas are superhuman. So he was wonderstruck. So Vismita Akaram Kanya Pitaram, who was extremely wonderstruck that Kanya Pitaram Drupadam Parasharyaha idam abodayat. कुत्र अबोधयत्? रहसि. रहसि इत्युक्ते एकान्ते इत्यर्थः, जन विजने इत्यर्थः. रहसि in where there is no people, it's in a private place. रहसि idam abodayat. तेन his दिव्य चक्षुषा इत्यर्थः. तेन दिव्य चक्षुषा, with that divine vision, तान् पाण्डवान् अमानुषान् वीक्ष्य. So मानुषाः इत्युक्ते mortals like us. Amanushaha is na manushaha, amanushaha tane amanushan vikshya. They are divine, they are immortal people. So tane amanushan vikshya. So he saw, with the help of the divine vision, he could perceive, the king could perceive that these 5 Pandavas were not normal people. They are amanushaha, they are divine beings. तानि वीक्ष्य, वीक्ष्य इत्युक्ते दृष्ट्वा इत्यर्थः. दृष्ट्वा विस्मित आकारं. So the moment he comes to know that these people are not normal people, he was extremely delighted and extremely wonderstruck. So vismita akaram kanya pitaram. So how was Drupada? He was extremely wonderstruck. Who? The daughter of the father of the daughter, Anyayaha pita kanya pitaram. To him, this Vyasa Rahasi idam abodayad. He said these words in a ekante, janarahite, in a private place. Okay. Purakila. So what is the story? Purakila. Once upon a time, earlier, Swarga Lakshmihi Atishayita Rupa Kasyachit Rishehe Kanya Sati Anurupa Vara Alabhena Maheshwaram Tapasa Toshayamasa. So the main sentence is Swarga Lakshmihi Maheshwaram Toshayamasa. That is the main sentence. Swarga Lakshmihi is her name itself is Swarga Lakshmi. She is a goddess of heaven. Okay. So Swarga Lakshmihi Maheshwaram. Maheshwaram is Ishvaraha, Parameshwaraha. Toshayamasa. She pleased him by what? Tapasa. By her penance. What for? Anurupa vara labhena. Anurupam is samana rupam. Atish anurupa vara alabhena. She was unable to get samana rupa varam. Varam is here bridegroom. She was unable to get a suitable bridegroom. Hence, she did a penance to please Maheshwaraha. Who? Kanya. Who is that Kanya? Sati. She is a lady. Kasyachiti Rishehe Kanya. She is the daughter of some sage. The name of the sage is not mentioned. Kasyachiti Rishehe Kanya Sati. Who is she? Swarga Lakshmihi. What is the adjective given to her? Atishayita Rupa. Atishayitam Rupam Yasyahasa. Who possessed who's extremely beauty, exceedingly beauty, possessed of exceeding beauty. That girl, Atishaya Rupa, also qualifies Swarga Lakshmihi. Kanya, Swarga Lakshmi, Kasyachit Rishehe Kanya, Sati, Atishayita Rupa, Swarga Lakshmihi, Anurupa Vara Alabhena. Anurupam is Samana Rupa Varasya Alabhena, not getting a suitable bridegroom. Who matches with her beauty, her intelligence, everything. So Anurupa Vara Alabhena Maheshwaram Tapasa Toshaya Masa. So here, Vitatara is 3 is the dhatu there, V is the upasarga. It is in Litlakara, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam. The karta for this is Badarayanaha. Badarayanaha Vitatara, he bestowed whom? Ragnye Drupade. So Krita Saparyaya is Krita Saparya Yena Saha Tasmai Krita Saparyaya Drupadaya Ragnye Drupadaya Divyam Chakshuhu Vidatara. Then Tena Chakshusha Tan Amanushan Vikshya. Vikshya is V is the Upasarga. Iksh is the Dhatu. Ikshate. Lyap is the Pratyaya. So Vismita Akaram. Vismitaha Akaraha Yasya Saha. Tam, who was extremely wonderstruck by looking at them. Kanya Pitaram, Kanyayaha Pita, Tam Kanya Pitaram, Parasharyaha, Parasharasya Apatyam Puman, Rahasi Idam Abodayat. Three words are there. Rahasi plus Idam is Savarna Dirgam. Idam Abodayat. Abodayat is Buddha and it is in Lang. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. It is in niche. He made him know. He made him understand. Okay. Parasharyaha Kanyapitaram Abodayate. Pura is an avyayam. Kila is an avyayam. Swarga Lakshmihi Ikaranta Srilingam. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Atishayita Rupa qualifies Swarga Lakshmihi. Atishayitam Rupam Yasyahasa. Kasyachit Rishehe Sati. Here, just for Sandhi you have. Kanya Sati Anurupa Vara plus Alabhena Varalabhena. You have Savarna Dirgam. Maheshwaraha Mahancha Asau Ishwaraha Tam Maheshwaram. Tapasa by penance Toshaya Masa. He made him feel happy. So Tushu Pritau Nitche Lit Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Okay. Next. Prasannetu Tasmin. Unmani Bhuta Sa Patim Dehi Iti Panchakritvaha Ayachata. Anantare Janmani Tava Panchapatayaha Bhavishyanti Iti Varam Dattva Tasmin Tirohite Vishnupadyaha Shrotasi Rudati Sa Sudati Yadirchaya Agachata Chakrena Prishta Tam Adaya Girehe Shikare Kridataha Tasya Mahadevasya Antikam Jagama. So now she did the penance and she also pleased Ishvaraha. Prasannetu tasmin Ishvaraha. So when Lord Maheshwara was extremely pleased by her penance, that girl with, so the moment we see somebody, the moment God comes in front of us, we do not know what we, nirdehatva ichaya nidravatvam aprichyate kumbhakarnaha. So he wanted to be an immortal. Instead, by slip of the tongue, what he asked, that he has to be nidravatvam. He has to be in sleep always. So when we look at the God, we were totally either by eagerness or our mind becomes dull at times. So this girl, when Lord Maheshwara was pleased and came in front of her, when appeared in front of that girl, the girl with extreme excitement or eagerness begged 5 times for a suitable husband. So the Lord granted the boon. He said, in your next birth, you shall have 5 husbands, and disappeared. So as then she started weeping, sitting at the stream of the Ganges. The lady with shining teeth, Sudati ityukte Apsara ityapi artaha. Sudati ityukte Shobana Dantaha. The Sudati with shining teeth was asked by Indra the reason for her crying. So Indra came that way. He asked, why are you crying? So she didn't narrate anything. Without telling him anything, she said, I will go, you should follow me. That's what comes in the original also. Along with Indra, that girl went near Maheshwara, who was sporting on the summit or the highest point of a hill of the mountain. So this is the meaning of this line. So prasannetu tasmin. Tasmin Ishware prasanne sati. When that Ishwara became extremely happy, prasannetu tasmin. When Maheshwara was extremely pleased by the penance, this girl saw here this Swarga Lakshmi, Unmani Bhuta is, she was extremely excited. Okay. Unmani Bhuta ityukte, she was extremely delighted by the way, by Ishvara appearing in front of her. Sa patim dehi iti panchakritvaha ayachata. So Unmani Bhuta, again it is in Chvi. Abhuta Tatbhave Chvi. She was excited or disturbed. So unmanaha ityukte udbrantam manaha yasya saha is unmanaha. So here unmani bhuta, it goes as an adjective for that sa, that girl. Unmani bhuta, she was extremely disturbed or excited by the presence or the appearance of Maheshwara. Prasannetu tasmin, when Ishvara was happy, saha patim dehi iti panchakritvaha ayachata. So the moment she sees Ishvara, she asked, patim dehi, give me a husband. Iti panchakritvaha ayachata. She didn't ask for once, she asked 5 times. See, this panchakritvaha ityukte panchavaraha ityartha. Sankhyayaha kriya abhyavritti ganane kritva such. It is the sutram 5 4 17. क्रियायाः पौनःपुन्यस्य गणनार्थं संख्यावाचकशब्दात् कृत्व सुच इति प्रत्ययः भवति. सो हियर अभ्यावृत्ति गणनम्, अभ्यावृत्तिः इत्युक्ते पौनःपुन्यं रेपिटेशन् इत्यर्थः. यत्र हियर आगे पञ्चवारः इत्युक्ते पञ्चकृत्वः इत्युक्ते पञ्चवारं 5 times. 5 times she repeated saying that I want a patim dehi, patim dehi, patim dehi iti panchavaram uktavati. Ayachata is begged. She yachitam taya. So prasannetu tasmin ishvare prasanne sati unmani bhuta sa swargalakshmihi patim dehi iti panchakritvaha. Give me a husband. Like that she begged for 5 times. Anantare janmani tava panchapatayaha. So immediately when you ask something, Ishvara is Ashutoshaha. One can be pleased very easily, no? So immediately what he said, Anantare Janmani, in the next Janma, in the consecutive Janma, Tava Panchapatayaha Bhavishyanti. So you will have 5 husbands. Bhavishyanti iti varam datva. Varam is boon. Datva, after giving the boon, Tasmin Tirohite. When the Ishvara, Tirohitam is disappeared, vanished. Tasmin Ishvare Tirohite Sati. When Maheshwara vanished by bestowing or by giving her the boon, what she did, Vishnupadya Padyaha Srotasi Rudati Sa Sudati. So she was crying, sitting in the bank of Vishnupadi. Vishnupadi ityukte Ganga ityartaha. Vishnupadi is Ikaranta Strilinga. Vishnupadyaha is like Nadyaha. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana. Vishnupadyaha Srotasi. Srotaha is the stream. Okay. In the stream of Ganga, sa Upavishta sa Rudati, she was crying. Rudati sa, Rudati is Rudd Ashru Vimoshane. It is in Shatru Pratyayam. It qualifies sa. Sudati is Shobana. Shobanam Dantayukta, one who has beautiful set of teeth, or Apsara ityapi arthaharti asti. So Rudati sa Sudati Yadrichaya Agachata Shakrena. So Shakraha is Indra. Indra arrived there accidentally. Yadrichaya is accidentally. Agachata Shakrena. Agachata qualifies Shakrena. Prishta. So she was questioned or she was asked what was the reason for her crying, sitting in the bank of Ganga. So when this was asked by Shakra, immediately she said, I'm going to Ishvara, you also follow me. So tam Shakram adaya, taking that Indra along with her, girehe shikare kridataha tasya mahadevasya antikam jagama. So sa tam adaya Mahadeva Antikasya Mahadevasya Antikam Jagama. Sa Swargalakshmi Tam Indram Adaya, taking that Indra along with her, Mahadevasya Antikam. Antikam is Samipam ityartaha. So Mahadevasya Samipam Jagama, she went. So what was Mahadeva doing? Girehe Shikare Kridataha Tasya Mahadevasya Antikam. Who was sporting in the Giri Shikaram. Shikaram is the peak. Giri is mountain. Girehe Shikare. On the peak of the mountain, Kridataha Tasya. These through words goes as an adjective for Mahadevasya. So Mahadeva was playing on the summit of the mountain. Tasya Mahadevasya Antikam Sa Urudati Sudati Nari Swargalakshmihi Gata. Jagama. Okay. So prasanne tu tasmin Ishware prasanne sati. When Ishwara was extremely pleased, tasmin unmani bhuta sa. So who was extremely excited or extremely disturbed? Sa Swargalakshmi Panchakritvaha ayachata, asked him 5 times. What? Patim dehi iti Panchakritvaha. So she asked him 5 times. So here, this Unmani Bhuta comes as an Abhuta Tadbhavechvi, and again here Tasmin Unmani Bhuta, you have this Namunagama Sandhi. Ngamo Hrasvatachi, Ngamun Nityam is the Sutram. Sa Patim Dehi, Dehi is the Dehi is in lot, you should give. Iti Panchakritvaha is Panchavaram. Ayachata is Yachate Atmanepadi Langlakaraha. Anantare Janmani, in the next Janma, Tava, for you, Panchapatayaha, 5 husbands, Bhavishyanti, will be there. Varam Dattva, after giving this boon, Dane, it's in Twantam, Tasminne Tirohite, Tasmin Ishware Tirohite Sati. Again, Tasmin Ishware, you have this Sattva Sandhi, Tasmin Tirohite. Vishnupadyaha Srotasi, on the banks of Vishnupadi is Ganga. It's like Nadi, Ikaranta Strilingam, Padyaha is Sashti Ekavachanam. On the banks of the river, on the stream, Srotasi, Srotaha, Srotasi, Srotamsi, it is Napumsakalingam. On the stream of the Ganga, Rudati is Rudd Dhatu, Shatru Pratyayam, Srilingam, it qualifies Sa. Sudati is Shobhanam Dantaha Yasyaha Sa. Sudati Sa. Yadrichaya Agachata qualifies Shakrena. Shakraha is Indraha. Gama, and it is in Shatru. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Prishta Shakrena Sa Prishta. Prichidatu, it is in Ikta Pratyayam. Shakrena Sa Swarga Lakshmihi Prishta. Tam Indram Adaya, A is the Upasarga, Da is the Dhatu, it is in Lyap, Girehe Shikaraha, Shikare, Kridataha, Kridataha is in Ikta Pratyayam. Tasya Mahadevasya Antikam Jagama, Antikam is Samipam, Jagama is Gam Dhatu, Lit Lakara, Prathama Purusha, Ekavachana. Okay? Then, Tat Darshanena Sanjata Manyuhu Sarveshwaram Manyah Shatamanyuhu Stambitaha Abhut Tatra Darishayane Atmanaha Sarupane Anyane Darshayitva Taihi Saha Antaf Praveshtum Tena Devena Adishtaha Marutwan Ashvattalavat Muhurmuhu Udvivije Tataha Kripaluhu Saha Maheshwaraha Kenachit Apadeshena Tesham Indranam Manushya Avataranam Tamcha Tesham Bharyam Kalpayamasa. See, if you see the original, no? Saeva Muktva Abravit Kanya Devam Varadam Ishwaram Patim Sarva Gunopetam Ichati Punah. Panchakritvam is also the word used in Mahabharatam. So Panchakritvaha Tvaya Uktam Aham Patim Dehi. Mama Patim Dehi iti vai punaha. That was given in the original. Here, Tat Darshanena. So, looking at the Ishvara. So, when they went, no, when Indra and this Swarga Lakshmi went there, enraged at the sight of Ishvara having a sporting session in the mountain, Indra, who deemed himself omnipotent, Sarveshwaram Manyaha, Sarvesham Ishvaraha Aham iti yaha manyate saha Sarveshwara Manyaha ityartaha. So he calls, he presents himself, or he boasts himself as omnipotent. He became extremely stunned or paralyzed. Stambitaha, Ishwaram Drishtva. See, Indra thought that he was insulted. Okay, because he thought that he is the Ishvara. He is the omnipotent Ishvaraha. So, Tati Darshanena, when he saw Shiva sporting in the summit, Sanjata Manyuhu, he was extremely, he got angry. He was extremely with full anger. Sarveshwaram Manyaha, he thought himself as omnipotent. Shatamanyuhu is Indraha, was Stambitaha Abhut. There, the Lord showed him four more people. All look alike. All look like this Indra. All look like the fifth Indra. They all were lying in a cave. And when Indra was ordered by the Lord to enter the cave and join their company, Indra often shook out of nervousness. So Ashwata Dalavatu Muhurmuhu Udvivijay. So nervousness like an Ashwata leap. Then the merciful Maheshwara ordained these five people, descent of those Indras into the mortal world, and on some pretext, and commanded that she would be the wife of them all. So there were four more Indras inside the cave, and this fifth Indra was asked to join them inside the cave. And Ishvara decided to send all five of them to the mortal world and told this Vargalakshmi that she is going to marry these five people. So all those five people are the Pancha Pandavas. That's what, when if we read the original, no, in this Indra, he asked that Vayuhu Magavan Ashvinau. So they should take, these five Indras should take the form of their, that is Indra. Their children should come through these devatas. One is Indra, one is Dharma, that is Yudhishthira. Then from Indra, Arjuna. From Dharma is Yama is Yudhishthira, and from Vayu is Bhima, and from the Ashwini Deva you have that Ashwini Kumara, Nakula and Sahadeva. So that was from the original. Tat darshanena, tasya ishvarasya darshanena, sanjata manyuhu. Manyuhu ityukte krodha ityartha. Manyuhu ityukte kratuhu yagaha ityapi artha vartate. Atra, this Manyu, for this Manyu you should take the meaning as Krodha. For this Manyuhu you should take it as Kratu, Yagaha. So Sanjata Manyuhu, Sanjataha Manyuhu Yasya Saha. It qualifies Indraha, Shatamanyuhu. Then Sarveshwaram Manyaha. Sarveshwara, Sarvesham Ishwaraha Aham Iti Yaha Manyate Saha. Who thinks that he is the Lord of all? He is an omnipotent or the omnipresent person. So, Sarveshwaram Manyaha Sanjata Manyuhu Shatamanyuhu. Shatamanyuhu ityukte, Shatam ityukte 100. Shatam Manyavaha Yasya Saha. One who has done 100 yagas. So, Shatamanyuhu ityukte Indraha ityartaha. Indraha Stambitaha Abhute. So, he became extremely awestruck or paralyzed, or he became extremely stunned. Tat darshanena, tasya ishvarasya darshanena, sanjata manyuhu, the person Indra who was extremely angry, sarveshwaram manyaha, who thought that he is the head and he is the controller. Sanjata sarveshwaram manyaha saha shatamanyuhu, one who has done 100, one who has performed 100 Ashwamedha yagas. Shatamanyuhu saha shakraha indraha stambitaha abhut. He was extremely stunned or paralyzed, looking at the Ishvara, sporting in the summit. Tatra Darishayan Atmanaha Sarupan Chaturaha Anyan Darshayitva Taihi Saha Antaf Praveshtum Tena Devena Adishtaha Marutwan Ashwatta Dalavat Muhur Muhuhu Udvivijay. Udvivijay is shaking, shook ityartaha. So Dari Tatra Tasmin Stale Dari Shayanaha. Dari is cave. Dari Shayanaha is people who are lying in the inside the cave. Okay, so Daryam Shayanaha Tane Dari Shayanan Shayanan Shayane Tane Shayanaha Tane is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Dari Shayane Atmanaha Sarupane. So they are in the, they look alike. All these four people, along with the present Indra, all of them look alike. So Darishayane Sarupane. They are all lying inside the cave. Atmanaha Sarupane. Atmanaha here, this Indra. So they are Samana Rupam. They look alike like this Indra. Chaturaha. Chaturaha is 4. Anyane Darshayitva. So Ishvaraha Anyane Chaturane Darshayitva. So he showed Indra the remaining 4, the other 4 who were lying inside the cave and who also look like this Indra. They all look alike. Okay. Taihi saha, taihi indraihi saha, antah praveshtum, to enter inside. Tena devena adishtaha marutvan. Marutvan here means Indraha ityartha. Marutvan Indraha Devena Adishtaha. Indra was ordered by the Deva. For what? Taihi Saha Antaha Praveshtum. So to enter along with those four Indras, this Indra, the present Indra, was ordered by Ishvaraha. Ashwattala Dalavat. So when this Indra entered the cave, he was just trembling. He was like shaking like an Ashwatta leaf. Okay. So Marutvane Ashwatta Dalavatu Muhur Muhu Udvivijay. Udvivijay is shook or shaking. So he shook like Udvivijay is in Litlakaram. Like what? Ashwatta Dalam. Dalam is leaf. Dalam also means group. Inga yadal. Leaf. Ashwatta Dalam. Ashwattasya Dalam. Ashwatta Dalam. Ashwatta Dalavat. Like the Ashwatta leaf. Muhur Muhu. Again and again. Marutvan Udvivijay. So he started shaking. He was extremely shaking. Why? Because Devena Adishtaha Saha. He was ordered by Lord Maheshwara. For what? Taihi Saha Antah Praveshtum. Along to enter the cave along with those people. Tataha. Then Kripaluhu Saha Maheshwaraha. So Kripaluhu is merciful. Ishvara, who was merciful, केनचित् अपदेशेन तेषाम् इन्द्राणां मनुष्यलोके अवतरणं तां च तेषां भार्यां कल्पयामास. ततः then this Kripaluhu qualifies Maheshwaraha, this merciful Ishvara, केनचित् अपदेशः इत्युक्ते व्याजः इत्यर्थः. So nimittam ityartah. Kenachit, so he created some nimittam to send these five Indras. The four inside the cave and one has come along with this Swargalakshmi. So Tesham Indranam Manushya Loke Avataranam. Avataranam is sending them down. Manushya Loke, in the mortal world, to the mortal world, Avataranam Tesham Indranam. Kenachit Apadeshena Kritva. Tam cha, tam Swargalakshmi. Tesham Indranam Bharyam Kalpayamasa. So he decided, he made them as Ishvara made that girl Swargalakshmi as the wife of these five Indras. Okay, so this is the story narrated by Vyasa. What is the reason for Draupadi getting married to five people? This is what had happened in the previous Janma. She had asked for a boon for 5 times. Patim dehi iti aprichyate sa. Tasmat Ishvaraha anantare janmani tava panchapatayaha bhavishyanti idi avadat Ishvaraha. Tatah param, when she was crying, with the help of Indra, she went to the place abode of Ishvara. There, Tatra Sarupane Chaturaha Anyane Darshayitva, after showing them to this Indra, Taihi Saha Antah Praveshtum, Tena Devena Atishtaha Marutvan, Ashwatta Dalavati, Muhur Muhu Uddivijay, Tataha Kripaluhu Saha Maheshwaraha. केनचित् अपदेशेन तेषाम् इन्द्राणां मनुष्यलोके अवतरणं तां च तेषां भार्यां कल्पयामास. Okay, now here tat darshanena is tasya ishvarasya darshanena sanjatamanyuhu sarveshwaram manyah. These two words qualify shatamanyuhu. Sanjataha manyuhu yasya saha, one for whom the anger has arisen or has come. Sarveshwaram Manyaha is Sarvesham Ishvaraha Aham iti Yaha Manyate Saha. One who thinks that is he is the Lord of everything, everyone. Shatamanyuhu is Shatam Manyavaha Yasya Saha, who has performed 100 yagas. Stambitaha Abhut. Stamb is Stamb Pratibande. It is in Ikta Pratyayam. Abhut is in Lung. Stambito Abhut. Visargasya Utvam. Then Purva Rupam. Gunam Purva Rupam. Tatra Dariya Shayane, Dari Shayane Atmanaha. Dari is cave, Daryam Shayanaha, Dari Shayanaha. Tane Dari Shayane qualifies Sarupane Anyane. Okay. Atmanaha Sarupane. Sarupam is Samanam Rupam. Tane Sarupane. Chaturaha Anyane Darshayitva. Darshayitva is Drish is the Dhatu. It is in Twa and it is in Nich. Drishtva is, if Ishvara has seen, then it is Drishtva. Ishvara is making Indra witness the whole thing. So Darshayitva Taihi Saha, along with them, Antaha Praveshtum. Praveshtum is Pra, which is the Dhatu, Tumunantam, Praveshtum. Tena Devena Adishtaha. Adishtaha again. Devena plus Adishtaha, you have Savarna Dirgam. A is the Upasargam. Dish is the Dhatu, it is an Ikta Pratyayam. Here you have four words Marutwan, Ashwatta Dalavati, Muhur Muhuhu, Udvivijay. So Marutwan is Indraha. Ashwattam is a type of a tree. Dalam is its leaf. So Ashwattasya Dalaha, Ashwatta Dalaha. Tam Ashwatta Dalavat is Dalam Iva Ityartaha. Muhur Muhuhu, Muhuhu plus Muhuhu, Muhur Muhuhu, Visargasya Repaha. Here also Visargasya Repaha. Udvivijay is Ut is the Upasargam. Vij is the Dhatu. Vij Pratak Bhave. It means shook or grieved. Then Tataha Kripaluhu qualifies Maheshwaraha. Kenachit Apadeshena. It is in Jastvasandhi. Apadeshaha ityukte Vyajaha or Nimittaha ityartaha. Tesham Indriyanam Manushya Loke Avataranam Tamcha Tesham Bharyam Kalpayamasa. Here, this Kalpayamasa, it is in little akaram. The dhatu for it is Krip Samarthye. Kriper dhatoho repasya lakaraha lakaradeshaha bhavati. The sutram is Kripo Ro Laha. 8 to 18. So for Krip dhatu, the repa gets a lakaradesham. So instead of kripa karpayamasa, you have kalpayamasa. In the place of repaha, lakara comes as an adesha. Okay. Then sa eva iyam Krishna techa ime pandavaha sanjataha. येषाम् अस्याः च अयम् आगमः तदलं विचार्य इति विमर्शच्छेदिना मुनेः वचनेन प्रत्ययितः राजा तेभ्यः पञ्चभ्योऽपि स्वां दुहितरं कृष्णां प्रतिपादयामास. So now what happens? Now he is extremely convinced, Drupada. So the same woman, that Swarga Lakshmi is none other than your Krishna, that is Draupadi. So the same woman is born as Krishna because she has come from a Vedi Sambhava, correct? She has come out of a Vedi. So, and the same woman is born as Krishna, and those Indras are the Pandavas. And this is the origin of them. Agamaha ityukte coming ityartaha. Here it means origin. Esham asyaha cha ayam agamaha. No need to think too much. Alam vicharya. By the words of the sage, all the doubts of the king were removed, were cleared, and the king became confident and gave his daughter Krishna to all the 5 Pandavas. So, sa eva iyam Krishna. So, iyam Krishna, sa eva ityukte sa Swarga Lakshmi eva iyam Krishna, iyam Draupadi. Techa ime Pandavaha sanjataha. Te Indraha eva ime Pandavaha. These Pandavaha sanjataha. They are born as this Pancha Pandava. So yesham asyaha cha ayam agamaha. Yesham Pandavanam asyaha Krishnayaha cha ayam agamaha. This is the origin of these 5 Pandavas and this Krishna. Tad alam vicharya. So no need to think too much. So thus, with this, the conversation, the speech of the sage is over. Now, the Raja, Vimarsha Chedina Munehe Vachanena Pratyayitaha Raja. Pratyayitaha is one who is convinced, or Vishwastaha Ityartaha. One who got the confidence. Now, by what? Vimarsha Chedina. Vimarshaha is doubt. Chedi is one who cuts or removes. Vimarshasya Chedi. Tena vimarsha chedina. Chedihi, it's a nikaranta pullinga word. Chedina, like harina. So vimarshasya chedi, vimarsha chedi. Chinatti iti chedihi. Okay, one who cuts is called chedi. Okay, so vimarshasya chedi, one who removes the doubt, chedana karta ityartha. Tena kartra vimarsha chedina munehe vachanena. So muni is not the vimarsha chedi. Munehe vachanameva vimarsha chedi. So the words of the muni clears or cuts, removes all the doubts by that vachanena, by those words. Raja pratyayitaha. So vishwastaha. Pratyayaha sanjataha ityartaha. So again, this is also that itach pratyam. We saw another word also, no? So prati is the upasargam, in itta. Okay, in is the pratyam. Here convinced ityartah. Tadasya sanjatam tarakadibhyaha itach. We came across that pratyam even before once. So same pratyayitaha. Pratyayaha sanjataha ityartah. प्रत्ययः इत्युक्ते विश्वासः इत्यर्थः विश्वासः सञ्जातः राज्ञः सो प्रत्ययितः राजा who was convinced by the words of the muni. How was the words of the muni? Vimarsha chedina munehe vachanena raja tebhyah panchabhyopi, to all the five of them, api swam duhitaram, his daughter swam duhita, uh, duhitaram is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Krishnam, it qualifies Krishnam. Pratibadayamasa. So he bestowed his daughter to all the five of the Pandavas. Okay. So sa eva iyam. Sa eva vriddhi. Sa eva plus iyam, you have gunam. Krishna. Te cha ime, again gunam. Pandavaha sanjataha. Sanjataha is, some is the upasargam. Jane jani pradurbhave, it's an ikta pratyayam. Yesham asyaha. Yesham is for Pandavanam. Asyaha is Krishnayaha cha ayam agamaha. So here you have the Shutva Sandhi agamaha tadalam vicharya. So vicharya is V is the upasargam, char is the dhatu, it is in ya pratyayam, na vicharaniyam ityartaha. Okay, vimarsha chedina munehe vachanena. So vimarshasya chedi tena vimarsha chedina, it qualifies munehe vachanena. Munehe vachanena. See, that is why they have not given it as a samastapadam. Munehe vachanam is important, not muni is important there. Na? So munehe vachanena pratyayitaha raja. Pratyayitaha is vishwastaha or convinced raja. Tebhyaha panchabhyo api, to all the five of them. Here visargasya utvam, then gunam, then purvarupam. Swam duhitaram krishnam pratipadayamasa. So pratipad lit, it means bestowed. Then we'll end with this one where the wedding gets over. Nirvritte tu panigrahe swahaya iva taya vedi sambhavaya sadarminya alankritaihi agnibiriva taihi panchabihi bhratribihi brajamanam sabam mahata vasu nidhanena upayantau ramakrishnau imam lokam taijasam vidatum avadarantau pushpavantau iva chakasamasatuhu. So here, when the wedding was finished, so the wedding happened, nivrittetu panigrahe. When the panigraham was done, the hall shone with the five brothers in the company of their partner in dharma. So that's why Patni yo yajna samyoge. Only then she's called as Patni, when she's associated with the husband while performing a yagam. So company of their partner in dharma, that is wife, who was born out of the sacrificial altar or fire, who looked like the fires accompanied by Swaha. So here Pancha Agni is compared with Panchabandavaha. And the Swaha, the Patni of Agni is Swaha Swadhano. Swaha is compared with Krishna, Draupadi. So to this hall, who entered? Balarama and Krishna also came there with a huge heap of riches, and they were shining like the sun and the moon that has descended on the earth to make it bright. So Pushpavantau ityakte Surya Chandrau ityartaha. Okay, so nirvritte tu panigrahe nirvritte sati. So when the marriage was nirvritte ityukte accomplished ityartaha. When the marriage was done, accomplished, swahaya iva taya. So taya तया वेदि संभवया सदर्मिण्या सदर्मिणी is wife bharya ityartah. So what are the adjectives for her? तया वेदि संभवया, one who was born वेदि is परिष्कृता भूमिः वेदिः इत्यर्थः. So वेदि is इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गम्. So वेदेः सम्भवं यस्याः सा वेदि सम्भवा. तया वेदि संभवया भार्यया सधर्मिण्या द्रौपद्या. What was she compared with? Swahaya iva. She was like Swaha. Swaha is none other than the Patni of Agni. She is compared with Swaha. So, how Agni is embellished or is always with Swaha, in the same way, this Draupadi, this Panchapandavaha, Alankritaihi Agnibihi iva. So, like how Swaha, Agni is decorated or embellished by their wife Swaha, like that, Pranchabihi, Bratrubihi, Sadarminya Alankritaihi Agnibiriva. Taihi panchabihi bhratribihi brajamanam sabam. So that sabha is shining by the presence of these five brothers. Mahata. To that sabha, Mahata Vasu Nidhanena. So Vasu Nidhanam. Vasu is wealth. Vasavaha. So Vasu is wealth. Nidhanam is treasure. So wealth and treasure. Extreme heap of wealth. Vasu Nidhanena. Saha Ramakrishna, Ramascha, Krishnascha, Ramakrishna. Rama is Balrama, Krishna is Krishna. Upayantau is they agatau ityartaha. So upa ya shatru pratyam. Pratama vibhakti dvivachanam. It qualifies Ramakrishna. Imam lokam, this world, taijasam vidatum. To make this world very taijasam is bright. So to make it bright, vidhatum is kartum ityartaha. Avatarantau pushpavantau iva. So who brightens this world? Only the Surya and Chandra. During the day, the sun brightens the world. During the night, it is a moon that brightens the world. So imam lokam vidatum, taijasam vidatum, avatarantau pushpavantau iva Ramakrishnau महता वसुनिधानेन उपायांतौ रामकृष्णौ सभाम चकासा मासतुः. So they also, chakas is the dhatu, litlakara prathama purusha dvivachana, masatuhu masuhu. It qualifies Ramakrishna. Like how the Surya and Chandra, by descending to this world, imam lokam, taijasam vidatum, to spread their taijasam is their brightness. Vidatum avatarantu pushpavantau iva. Like how the sun and the moon, when they descend to this world, how they brightens the world, this world. In the same way, Vasu Nidhanena, with a heap of treasure, this Rama and Krishna, this Balrama and Krishna entered, and they brightened the whole Sabha. Okay, so nirvritte tu panigrahe. Nirvrittam is, nir is the upasargam, vrit vartane, and the meaning is accomplished. Panigrahe is the marriage. Swahaya eva, like swaha. Swahaya plus eva. Swaha eva, you have the gunasandhi. Taya vedi sambhavaya. So vedehe sambhavam yasyaha sa taya vedi sambhavaya sadharminya alankritaihi agnibihi eva. So alankritaihi agnibihi, you have visargasya repaha. Taihi panchabihi bhratribihi brajamanam sabam. So they were these five brothers were shining in that sabha, like along with Draupadi, in the way Agni shines with their wife, with his wife Swaha. Sabam mahata vasu nidhanena, with a great heap of wealth. Upayantau Ramakrishna, Rama, Balrama and Krishna. Upayantau, they both agatau, they came. Imam, how were they, what were they compared to? Pushpavantau iva. Pushpavantau iti ityukte Surya Chandrau ityartaha. So imam lokam taijasam vidatum avatarantau, to make this brighten this world. How Surya and Chandra comes down, they come down. In the same way, this Rama, Balrama and Krishna entered the sabha and they brightened the sabha. Chakasa masatuhu is, chakas is the dhatu, lit prathama purusha dvivachanam. Pushpavantau ityukte Surya Chandrau ityartaha. Pushpavantaviva, you have that avav sandhi. Vidatum avatarantau. Avatarantau is, ava is the upasarga, Tru Tarane. Tatara Visano, Tarati. So here it is Shatru, Pratama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam. Ramakrishna is Ramascha, Krishnascha, Ramakrishna. Vasunidhanena Upayantau is Upa is the Upasarga, Ya Dhatu, Shatru Pratyam, Pratama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam. Again it qualifies Ramakrishna. Then Mahata Vasunidhanena, this Mahata qualifies Vasunidhanena. Panchabihi Bhratribihi Brajamanam Sabham. This Brajamanam qualifies Sabham. Brajamanam is the Panchabihi Bhratribihi. By the 5 brothers, the Sabha is the court. The court was shining due to the presence of these 5 Pandavas. Okay, these 5 Pandavas. What were they compared to? They were compared to Agnibihi iva Panchabihi Bhratribihi Taihi Panchabihi Bhratribihi Brajamanam Sabam Mahata Vasunidhanena Upayantau Ramakrishna Imam Lokam Taijasam Vidhatum Avatarantau Pushpavantau iva. So here Vidhatum is Kartum ityartaha, Vi is the Upasargam, Dha is the Dhatu, Tumanantam. Avatarantau Pushpavantau iva Chakasa Masatuhu. Okay. Then we'll do this in the next session. Prachantu sir. Jairam sir.
Namaste. That final one, Chakara Masasu. What is it?
Chakasa, Masatu.
Chakas is the dhatu, is it?
Yeah. Chakasate. Chakaste.
Oh, it means brightens. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry.
And then Taijasam, you said it's Tejasaha.
Tejasaha ayam Taijasam.
Bhavaha.
Yeah.
Like it's
Tejasaha Bhavaha Taijasam. Bhavaha also correct. Taijasam.
Okay.
To bring the brightness to the world. Like how sun and the moon come down, descend to this mortal world. In the same way, Rama and Krishna arrived there and they brightened the this one, Sabha. Okay.
And then, madam, yeah, another question is Vimarsa Chedina Munehe Vachanena. There you said, you could have said Muni, we could have said Muni Vachanena as a Samastapadam, right? Munehe
that
Vachanam,
is a Samastapadam. Munehe Vachanam, Muni Vachanam.
So, but
probably the emphasis was, emphasis was for Vachanam, not for Muni. Oh. Because of which they're left. I mean, see, in Gadya, it doesn't matter. Only in Padyam, you have that meter, construction and all. Gadya, you can write any lengthy sentence, Samastapadam or without Samastapadam, anything is allowed. So I just thought, it just came to me.
Okay, I forgot. That's okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Shri Ganga Shekhar. Chantu.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Abhijatyaha, what is it? Shabdarupa, ma'am?
Abhijatyaha should be in Pullingam. Abhijatasya bhavaha abhijatyaha.
Jati is the Shabda, ma'am?
See, the Rupam has taken it in Pullingam, so you can derive it as Jatyaha, Jatyau, Jatyaha, like that. Okay,
thank you, ma'am.
Come from Jati.
Isn't that Bahuvrihi there?
No, she is asking about Abhijatyaha. What is the Lingam?
Okay, Pullingam.
It is in Bahuvrihi only. It qualifies Drupadaha.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Kala, madam. Prachantu, Kala, madam. Mute.
Pankila, madam.
Pankila, we have not come, no?
Okay.
That is, Pankila comes in the next page. I have not even touched, no? Pankila hai na share in artham.
So, okay.
That is in the next page, madam. That will come in the next class. Dhritarashtra Sruta Vittantaha Pankila iva. Any more questions?
One small thing. I think when that Gire Shikhare Kridataha Tasya, there I think by mistake you said Kridataha is Ikta Pratyay. It's actually Shatru Pratyay.
Shashti. It is in Shashti. Sorry. Yeah.
Kridan Kridataha.
Kridataha. You're right. Shatru, it is in Shashti. Correct. Gridataha,
Hello?
because it should be Shashti as it qualifies Tasya Mahadevas. Okay.
Yeah.
Then anything else? Any doubt? Shall we end the session?
Yes, madam.
Namaste.